Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. In today's video, let's dive into static GK questions on geography. We have also recently released a video on the top 1000 CMAT GK questions. If you haven't checked it out yet, please do so. The link will be provided in the description below. Additionally, we are offering a free CMAT mock test and 5 CMAT mocks for just 299 rupees. Please find the link in the description. Now let's get started. First question. Which states are involved with Kaveri river dispute? The answer is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Next question. Baglihar Dam is constructed on which river? The answer is Chenab. International date line indicating change of one calendar day follows roughly which meridian? The answer is 180 degrees meridian. A saturated geological unit which can yield water to the wells at a sufficient rate to support a well is called aquifer. Next question. Idukki Dam located in Kerala is built on which of the following rivers? The answer is Periyar. Which of the following Indian states has the famous tourist destination called Pamban Island? The answer is Tamil Nadu. The Indian Army concluded a 2-week-long military exercise called Exercise Maitri 2018 with which of the following country in Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar? The answer is Thailand. Dash is the highest peak of the Satpura range. The answer is Dhubgarh. Which of the following city has been described by UNESCO as historic city and it is added to the World Heritage Site? The answer is Ahmedabad. Which country in Asia is called Teardrop of India? The answer is Sri Lanka. Identify the wrongly matched state with capital. The answer is Nagaland Aizawl. Next question. Sasangir Sanctuary is located in which state? The answer is Gujarat. In the state of Dash, the general direction of the Himalayas is from southwest to northwest. The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. In which state is the foundation stone for the Patratu Super Thermal Power Plant laid? The answer is Jharkhand. Which kind of rock is limestone? The answer is sedimentary. Which of the following mountains are considered as young fold mountains in India? The answer is Himalayas. Singrauli Super Thermal Power Station is located at Uttar Pradesh. The Kharif cropping season is from June to September. In which year Punjab was divided into Haryana and Punjab? The answer is 1966. Which state is the highest producer of coffee in India? The answer is Karnataka. Next question. Who is the present Railway Minister of India? The answer is Ashwini Vaishnav. Next question. Match the following cities and the river bank on which they are situated. First one, Kashmir, that is at a river bank. Jhelum, Hyderabad at Musi, Kota at Chambal and Varanasi at Ganga. So the answer is option E. Which of the following soils is also known as rigor? The answer is black soil. Which city in India is called Queen of the Arabian Sea? The answer is Kochi. Which of the following Indian state does not share boundary with Myanmar? The answer is Tripura. Which of the following national parks are located in Himalayan region? The answer is all of the above. That is Jim Corbett National Park, Kanchenjunga National Park, Nanda Devi National Park and Great Himalayan National Park. Ozone depletion is greatest near poles. Damdama Lake, which is one of the biggest lakes in the state, is situated in Haryana. The state which has the highest yield per hectare of potatoes in India is Punjab. The point on Earth's surface directly above the origin of an earthquake is known as epicenter. Singrauli Super Thermal Power Station is located in which of the following states? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Kakrapar Atomic Power Station is located in which of the following states? The answer is Gujarat. Which of the following states is not correct about alluvial soil? The answer is in the Himalayan region we find alluvial soil. Malabar Civet, which is listed in the critically endangered species list, is found in which part of India? The answer is Western Ghats. In which river Idukki Dam is situated? The answer is Periyar. In which river Gangapur Dam is situated? The answer is Godavari. In which river Omkareshwar Dam is situated? The answer is Narmada. Which state has the highest number of dams in India? The answer is Maharashtra. In which river Kishau Dam is situated? The answer is Tans River. The main gases present in the sun are hydrogen and helium. Option C. Study of moon is called as selenology. Dinar, ruble and peso is the currency of which countries respectively? The answer is Bahrain, Russia and Mexico. For Bahrain, it's dinar. For Russia, it's ruble. And for Mexico, it's peso. The biggest and smallest planets of solar system are Jupiter and Mercury. Himalayas is the example of which type of mountains? The answer is fold mountains. A shallow lake is formed between the sand and the sea coast. What is it called? The answer is lagoon. Which soil is unsuitable for cultivation? The answer is laterite soil. Which state of India produces highest quantity of paper? The answer is Maharashtra. Brihandeshwara temple is located in which state of India? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Medha are the group of tribes found in which state of India? The answer is Karnataka. India is located in which hemisphere? The answer is Northern Hemisphere. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. In case of any comments, please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you.